are giving us, giving. Already trimmed it going this way. Now I'm gonna just kind of like shape it a little. And I forgot to make my seasonal appointment. So here we go. Get all those dead ends off. That's how you get your hair to do what it's supposed to do when it curls. So them dead ends are gone. So I trimmed my hair. I didn't do like a crazy trim because I don't, you know, I saved that for my stylist, but I had to get those dead ends off because we don't keep dead ends. If that means I just clip it, then I clip it and that's it. But I'm making these parts straight as possible because I'm gonna wear my hair in these braids just for today and tomorrow, but I still want them to be like, you know, clean. You know, as clean as can be. Because it's not that I'm a perfectionist, it's just that I just want clean parts. I like clean parts. So I'm just doing what I did before, what I showed y'all. Let me get my brush. Where's my brush at? Okay. And I know a lot of you are probably like, why are you trimming your hair and braiding it up so you can't see the shape? I've just trimmed it. I didn't really shape it, so I don't really care about it being like a specific shape because I get it shaped by my stylist. And I'll probably be going to her next. I'm getting braids for in the month of June. So after I take out my braids, I'll go get a nice treatment from my stylist and I'll get it shaped. So I'm just braiding it, and you know what I do at the ends, I twist it. So I'm just gonna keep doing this throughout my whole head, and I will come back to y'all when I'm finished, show y'all what it looks like. And basically I'm gonna show y'all the little look that I'm doing, and I'll probably take pictures today, and because I want to wear my fedora hat and I can't wear it when my hair is out because my head is too big. I need to get a fedora hat that is for big head girl friendly because my head kind of big. I'm coming to terms with that. So, and then I got a lot of hair on top of that thick hair, so it makes it even harder for me. And then I like to twist it. This is not a twade out. I do this with my, I did this with my braid outs from the time I started doing braid outs. I just feel like it does something popping to the end of your hair, so. This is the braids. The braids. It's giving length. It's giving some length. We got curls. We got curls at the bottom. It's giving curls. It's giving moisture. And it's gonna give hella definition when I take it down. But this is basically how I'm wearing it today. I wanted to wear my fedora hat. So here we go. So here we go. It's definitely a look. It's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Or isn't it? Y'all tell me, y'all like it? Do you like it? I love it. I love it. My nose is running. Hold on. Okay. It's giving everything that it's supposed to give. I'm here for it. She wanted to look cute today because it's Friday. I'm loving it. Are y'all loving it? Okay, so stay tuned for the takedown. Okay, so I started taking it down. I have a photo shoot I'm modeling for my photographer today. So I started taking it down. I separated the bottom more, and what I do is I just unravel the top so there's a little bit more definition, and then I pick away. So the bottom is already fluffed out, separated, and already started picking. I started picking it. So when I get closer to, like, say this part of my hair, the top of my hair, I don't separate it and I don't pick it out as much because I want more definition. It looks like there's more definition. Oh, my bobby pins are flying. It looks like there's more definition when you leave the top as defined as possible, and you can still get that volume. So I'm gonna start taking these down. I take them down with I use melanin hair care oil, the multi-purpose oil. I use any oil usually, but that's my favorite oil because it's not too heavy. And I just start taking it down. It's easier to take them down without nails. When I have nails on, I notice that my hair gets frizzy faster because it's, you know, it's a braid out. So it takes a lot longer for you to take it down than as if you were doing a twist out. So see, I'm only here. And this is a stretch braid out. As you know from the beginning of the video, my hair was blow dried so I could trim it. And then you see, this is what I was talking about with the ends. The ends are like perfection because I trimmed it, and then at the end, like the ½ inch of my hair that was left out from the braid, I used that part to twist it tightly and then finger coil, and that gives you like a uniform curl at the bottom. And you just have to take your time with taking these out. That's the key to any twist out and braid out, is the takedown too. It's not just the technique of putting it in, it's the takedown. Take your time taking it down, and when you separate, you put, you know, you could coat your hands with oil or not. You don't really have to do that. And you just start going over your hair like that. And then when you go over it like that, it'll start to show you where it wants to naturally separate. That's where I separate at. At the bottom, like this part, I kind of separate a little bit more than what it wants to because I want more volume. I'm not really obsessed with definition. I'm more like, I want to have both. I want both. I want the best of both worlds. I want volume and definition. So when you separate it, you go down like this. And you see how it's already showing me where it wants to separate? That's where I let go. But first, twirl the ends and then let go. And that's where you let go. And that's how you do it, let go. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like afterwards, and I'll be back. This is the results. I fluffed it out some. We left the definition at the top. You see the volume, you see the definition, best of both worlds. They get bigger and bigger as the days go by. You lose definition, but you get that oomph, you know, that ooh, girl, is that your hair? Like that. So I am ready for my photo shoot with my photographer. I am doing a cute linen loungy look with my cute little Bomdia flat mules that I got from Louis Vuitton, and my fedora hat, and my Louis Vuitton what's it called, toilette. So that's my first look, and then I have like a really cute summery looking dress with a cute bag that I got from Target. So I will definitely be linking those in my reward styles, my like to know it. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all been checking me out or whatever. You see it, you see me being consistent. Look at me being consistent. I'm being consistent. Whew. I'm tired, but I'm being consistent. And is the stretch braid out giving? It's giving what it's supposed to have gave, honey. Anyway, if you like what you see here, share it with a friend. Make sure you press that bell so you are notified every time I post something new. And let me know some things that you are trying to learn how to do, or you want to see me post on my YouTube channel, because I would love some more ideas, especially from you guys, the people who are watching. And make sure you like and subscribe if you're new here. You see me being consistent. I'm being consistent. Okay, reward me. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and like always, I'll see you in the next video.